All the requirements of this project have been satisfied and more. Anticipated points, 500. And A grade. While this program is running, the log file is running in the background. Let's log in. Invalid password. Let's add a movie. Let's update the movie. The movie in question is 1692. Let's add a genre. Quite a number of movies with it that contain the word time. The one we're interested in is 1692. We want to add a genre. This one it's a crime movie, number 6. We see that crime has been added as a genre for this new movie we've created. Let's go back to the main screen. Now let's delete this movie. Okay, the movie in question is 1692. We'll search time. It's gone. The other one's left is the time 1689, but that was created earlier. Go back to the main screen. Let's just look at movies in general. Show a number of movies at the rate that the user wants to see them. I want to see 100 at a time. No, that's too many. Let's say 20. That's about the screen. Won't miss any that way. No, that's a few more. Okay, that's enough. I'll exit. Create a new user. User's occupation is he's a lawyer. That's number 10. Here's a summary of that user. His ID is 947. He's now ready to rank, or rather, to rate a movie. In the rating wizard, our user, 947, will look for a movie. Started with the word big. It was The Big Night. He wants to rate the movie The Big Night, 137. Five-star rating, he gives it a 3. And here's the summary. Our user, 947, submitted a 3-star rating at this time for the movie ID 137. We also want to look at the top rated movies, ranking throughout this system. So in our trend dashboard, let's look at ages, age brackets. For kids, see movies like Con Air and Wrong Trousers. Homeward Bound, very popular with kids. Let's look at see what we find under seniors for their top rated 5-star movies. Movies like Annie Hall, MASH, so forth. Occupation. The top 5 by occupation, some samples there. Again, we try to show just one screen at a time. Let's go to the next screen for the remainder. Here we notice that under healthcare, we see To Kill a Mockingbird. So compassionate industry, interested in compassionate movies. Give it a 5-star. It seems to make sense. That's 10 out of the 10 some queries and then some. And the only thing left is to quit. Thank you.